Welcome to Summarize Science. Today we are looking at a fascinating new paper about how artificial intelligence explains itself. Large language models often use a technique called chain of thought to solve complex problems step by step. However, just because an AI shows its work does not mean it actually used those steps to find the answer. This creates a massive problem for researchers trying to ensure AI is faithful to its own logic. Often, the reasoning you see is just a stylistic artifact, like a student writing down random math symbols before guessing the right answer. The researchers in this paper introduce a method called AtManRL to fix this. Their goal is to ensure the reasoning trace genuinely influences the final prediction. They define this influence as saliency, which is the measurable impact of reasoning tokens on the answer. To achieve this, they developed a learnable, differentiable attention mask. Think of this mask as a way to filter out the noise and find the words that actually matter. By initializing this mask to suppress reasoning tokens, the researchers then optimize it to restore the correct answer. This process identifies exactly which tokens are crucial and which ones are just filler. They then use a reinforcement learning framework called GRPO to reward the model for producing these salient tokens. This encourages the AI to generate reasoning that is both correct and meaningful. The results, shown in their experiments on math and logic benchmarks, are quite impressive. On the GSM-8K math dataset, the average number of reasoning tokens dropped by 44%. On the MMLU benchmark, the reasoning length decreased by 46%. Essentially, the AI learned to stop rambling and get straight to the point. Interestingly, the composition of the tokens shifted significantly. There was a 25% decrease in common stop words like the, or, and. Meanwhile, the use of numbers and symbols increased by nearly 50 to 60%. This suggests the models are prioritizing information-dense, computation-focused logic. Even with these much shorter explanations, the task accuracy remained almost exactly the same. This means the AI is not just getting lazier, it is getting more efficient and honest. Let's recap. Current AI often generates filler reasoning that does not actually help it solve a problem. By using AtManRL, researchers can force the AI to only write down what truly matters for the final answer. This results in reasoning that is twice as efficient and much more transparent for humans to read. In the future, this could lead to AI that is far more reliable and easier to audit. It might even prevent models from developing post-hoc rationalizations where they lie about how they solved something. This step toward faithful reasoning is essential for the next generation of trustworthy AI. Thanks for watching Summarize Science.